Intro. Setting the stage. It's something we all do. Close your eyes, drift off, and wake up hours later, feeling hopefully refreshed. But while you sleep, your body isn't taking a break. In fact, it's doing some of its most important work. Ever wondered what's happening beneath the surface when you fall asleep? And how does your body heal, restore, and even dream? And let's not forget the real mystery. Why do we sometimes wake up with a pillow crease on our face that feels like a secret map to another dimension? Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of sleep science to uncover the incredible processes that unfold in your body while you snooze. Act 1. The journey to sleep. It all begins when you start to feel drowsy. This is your brain releasing melatonin, a hormone which slowly signals your brain it's time to wind down. Think of it as your body's natural dimmer switch, slowly lowering the lights on your consciousness. Melatonin levels are heavily influenced by light. That's why staring at your phone at bedtime can confuse your brain into thinking it's still daytime. So the next time you're scrolling at midnight, blame the memes for stealing your sleep. As you drift off, your body begins to relax. Heart rate slows, breathing becomes steady, and your core temperature drops. It's like your body is preparing for a maintenance check. But what happens after you fully surrender to sleep? Act 2. The stages of sleep. The body's night shift. Sleep isn't a single state. It's a cycle of 4 stages, each playing a unique role. Stage 1. This is light sleep and the half asleep, half awake phase. Your muscles may twitch, and if you ever felt like you were falling, yup, that's this stage. Stage 2. Here, your body temperature drops further. Your brain activity slows. It's like a prelude to the deep restorative process work to come. Stage 3. Deep sleep. This is where your body works its magic. Cells repair, tissues grow, and your immune system gets a boost. REM sleep, REM sleep. This, the final stage, is where the dreams happen. Your brain becomes incredibly active, almost as if you're awake. But your body is in a state of temporary paralysis, a safety mechanism so you don't act out your dreams. During REM, your eyes dart back and forth beneath your eyelids, which is how it got its name, rapid eye movement. It's like your brain is binge watching dream episodes on fast forward. Act 3. The healing power of sleep. But sleep isn't just about dreaming, it's vital for your survival. While you rest, your body is at work. Brain cleanup. Your brain flourishes out toxins and reorganizes memories, deciding what to keep and what to forget. Hormone regulation. Your hormones like growth hormone and cortisol are balanced, keeping everything from your metabolism to stress levels in check. Ever notice how a good night's sleep makes everything seem easier the next day? That's your brain restoring emotional resilience, a built-in mental reset button. But what happens if you don't get enough sleep? The consequences might surprise you. Outro. The cliffhanger and call to action. From healing your body to organizing your memories, sleep is nothing short of a nighty miracle. It's your body's way of preparing for whatever challenges tomorrow may bring. But what if your sleep cycle is disrupted? How does your body cope? And what can you do to optimize your sleep for better health and performance? If you want to explore these questions and more, make sure to like this video, subscribe to SmartSphere, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, we'll keep uncovering the fascinating science behind the everyday. Until next time,